The 2011 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, tow hitch, stability control, traction control, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, aluminum wheels. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.